Low-carb keto diet versus the zero carb carnivore diet, revealing the fastest weight loss diet you didn't know before. In early 2000s, Dr. Shawn Baker came up with a revolutionary discovery related to nutritional health and weight loss, as he introduced the world to an effective alternative for the keto diet. Dr. Shawn Baker was a successful cardiologist, but he was also overweight and struggling with health problems. He had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and prediabetes, pretty much similar to most of us. Dr. Baker tried a variety of diets to lose weight and improve his health, but nothing seemed to work for him. Then, one day, he read a book about the Inuit people. The Inuit are a group of indigenous people who live in the Arctic Circle. They have a very traditional diet that consists almost entirely of animal products. Dr. Baker decided to try the Inuit diet. He started eating only meat, fish, and eggs. Plus, he also started eating a lot of fat.
Seems as if he was reinventing the keto diet, but it's not the case. Anyhow, can you guess what happened to him afterwards? Well, at first, Dr. Baker felt terrible. He had headaches, fatigue, and digestive problems. But after a few weeks, he started to feel better. He lost weight rapidly while feeling more energetic. Plus, his blood pressure and cholesterol levels went down, and his prediabetes disappeared. Dr. Baker was so impressed with the results of the carnivore diet that he started recommending it to his patients. In 2017, he published his book, The Carnivore Diet: A New Way to Lose Weight, Live Longer, and Feel Better. Soon, word of the carnivore diet started to spread like a wildfire. People from all over the world started trying the diet and reported amazing results. A lot of people started comparing it with the keto diet, and some even declared it to be a better replacement for keto. Well, all fair, but there are some questions that need to be answered before making a final choice of a healthy weight loss diet for yourself. Like, which of these diets results in a 4 times faster weight loss? Which one of these diets eventually causes more health damages? Which diet is found best by science for you to opt for a long-run health and wellness? Just stick around for a bit. You'll get all these answers and a lot more as well, all in a matter of few minutes.
This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. So friends, each of the facts we are going to explain now will bring you a step closer to your best-suited diet. Let's first start with the very basic thing, effectiveness of the diet and weight loss, and then build to the further critical aspects. The essence of weight loss is rooted in creating a caloric deficit. The keto diet has been a go-to thing for those seeking rapid weight loss, thanks to its low-carb, high-fat blueprint. According to a 2020 study published in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology, individuals on a keto diet lost an average of 5% of their body weight over a 12-month period, outperforming those on a low-fat diet. Dr. Eric Westman, a well-known advocate of the keto diet, underscores the satiety factor brought about by fat consumption, which naturally curbs calorie intake. On the other hand, the carnivore diet, with its zero-carb, meat-only regimen, also beckons with the promise of quick and rapid weight loss. The elimination of carbs in the carnivore diet minimizes insulin spikes, which is a catalyst for fat storage in our body. However, the lack of dietary fiber could lead to overeating while on this diet. Next critical thing to take into account for our decision on the best diet is the speed of weight loss offered by the diet plan. Well, the keto diet often takes the recognition for swift weight loss, largely attributed to initial water weight shed due to glycogen depletion. Dr. Stephen Phinney, a pioneer in low-carb diets, notes that a rapid loss of about 10 pounds within the first 2 weeks is common on keto. On the flip side, the carnivore diet's restrictive nature also leads to quick initial weight loss, even 4 times rapid than the keto diet in certain cases. Yet, the sustainability of such rapid weight loss is highly questioned, especially given the potential for nutrient deficiencies due to the diet's restrictive nature. And now, the most critical aspect for your decision: the health risks associated with these diets. The keto diet, while a boon for blood sugar control, brings along the keto flu, which is a collection of symptoms like fatigue and headaches due to electrolyte imbalance. Moreover, experts like Dr. Kim Williams, the past president of the American College of Cardiology, expressed serious concerns over the long-term heart health implications due to high saturated fat intake with keto diet. Similarly, the carnivore diet steps into riskier terrains with a potential for nutrient deficiencies and concerns over long-term gut health. The high intake of red and processed meats in the carnivore diet, often linked to an increased risk of heart disease and certain cancers, remains a pressing concern among health experts related to adaptation of this diet plan. So, after all this deliberation on the choice for a fast weight loss, yet healthy diet, it's time for the final verdict on the best diet for a fast and healthy weight loss. Well, based on all the research and study findings so far, for weight loss, the keto diet stands out with a more substantial body of research, backing its effectiveness and a broader spectrum of food choices facilitating adherence. It's particularly favorable for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. The carnivore diet, while simple and potentially effective for quick weight loss, is more restrictive and with less scientific backing, making it a less favored choice for long-term weight loss and health. What do you think about these findings and which diet you would prefer for yourself? Do tell us in the comments. Let's see which diet is preferred by our loyal viewers. To sum it up, each diet carries a unique set of benefits and risks with it. Your personal health status, lifestyle, and dietary preferences play a pivotal role in determining the most suitable diet for your circumstances. And do consult with your personal healthcare professional before making any substantial change to your diet. Subscribe to our channel and become a proud part of the Shape Squad family, as we keep bringing extremely useful knowledge and information related to your health and fitness. Press the like button with Keto Power if you found this video helpful. Until we bring our next video, check out the videos showing up on the screen to know more about your favorite diet plan. Catch up with you guys after the NFL games. See you!